Hi, Jay from Sherway Nissan here, and I actually wanted to share with you my life experience with a growing family and our Nissan Pathfinder. So I have a family of 3 boys, ages 5, 3.5, and just turned 1. And what we use is Uppababy Vista. Now, just a disclaimer, I am not endorsed or hired by Uppababy Vista. This is just what we use in our family, and I wanted to show you how we use it with our Nissan Pathfinder. So if you want to come with me. I just actually wanted to demonstrate first how we can put this Uppababy Vista inside. There's a couple of ways. First thing you have to do is anywhere you see these clips, you can actually push down and this will just come off. So this is one seat, and I'll put this in there. So once we put the front seat into the car, you can either fold it with the seat on, but for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to take it off. And I'm going to click the little clips here. I'm just going to fold it. And that should just fold nicely. And there's a little stopper here, I guess. And you want to make sure that it's clipped in so that when you do lift it, it's nice and compact. Lift it up and just put it in, okay? So what you can do here, you can see it pretty much takes up the whole cargo area, but you can also stack this like so and have some room for your shopping as well. We find that with the 3 boys and the stroller, there's plenty of room to put enough stuff when we go traveling into the shopping malls or have a family trip somewhere. The other thing I want to show you is what happens if you have 7 passengers. So I'm going to take this out. Lift up the 3rd row. So obviously with this space right now, we're going to have some trouble putting in the stroller. So the way to do that is on the wheel here, you can actually take out the wheel. And what we have to do is just put it in so like so, and it does close. You take your wheels, stack them in here, and then you can take your front seat. There's a way to fold that, and that will go in like so. Unfortunately, if you have 3 kids like we do, you won't be able to take this one on you if you have 7 passengers, unless you put this somewhere on the floor on the 2nd row. Okay, so I just wanted to demonstrate that. Now, how do I put my car seat out again? All you have to do is clip in your wheel. 1, 2, with this little clip here, you want to make sure you push it forward so that it doesn't get stopped. And all you have to do is pull it out. It's like your little mini transformer stroller. And all you have to do after is just to put your car seats and align them with your little clips. That's how we deal with our family. Some of you might have 3, some 2, or even 1. But the Pathfinder is a great size for a growing family. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll be happy to help you. Otherwise, come back and visit again. Jay at Sherway Nissan, where your way is a sure way.